Let us continue our last lecture, and in this we will see how to render the data which we have got in our console. Now inside index.html, I have just written this basic template. Using that, I have got this card, and also I have done basic styling. Accordingly, whatever data you want to display in your card, you can access from here and you can display. But as of now, I just want to display country name, country capital and population of that country. And also we have changed the promise, and whatever country we have passed, according to that border data will also be displayed. So after this, next to this card, I should be having border data. In that also, I should be having all these three values available. In our last lecture, we have completely written this entire code, and also we have understood how this will be working, and we have changed these promises. Now what I will do, first I will come to index.html, and from here I'm just going to copy this class. I just want to access this container, copy, and above this I will be writing const variable is equal to document dot query selector, and inside this simply I'm just going to pass that class. Now I will write here log. Let me just write that countries container, save it, refresh this one. Now you can see I am able to access that countries container. Inside that I am having this entire article. So using this I am able to access this complete div, and inside that whatever data I am having, I am able to access that data. Now what I will do, below this I will be creating one function. I will write HTML data, and inside this I will be passing the parameter as data. Here I will be creating one variable. I will give my variable name as HTML. I will be using template literal. I will copy this entire article, and here inside this I'm just going to paste. Now from this data, whatever data I want to display, accordingly here I will be using dollar curly braces. I will write here data, and for some we will not be having the flag, that is image. So here I will be writing optional chaining, and then I just want to access this flags property. Let me show you. So inside this flags we are having this link for the image. So using this I will be able to display the image, and after that inside this I have to access this PNG. So here again I will be using PNG. Then here I have to display country name. I will remove this, and inside this I will be writing data dot name dot common. Okay, how I am getting this? Because here inside this, let me just show you. We are having name, and inside this name we are having common. So using this I will be having this result. Then I should display this capital. I will remove this. I will write here dollar. Then again from data I have to access this capital property. I will show you. Inside this we are having capital, and here we are having array. So I have to access first element from this. So here I will be writing capital, and from here I just want to access the first element, that is index 0. Then finally we are having population. I will come down, and here we are having this population. If you want to round this off, you can do that, but as of now I will not be doing that. I will write here data, and from there I just want to access this population. Now if I save this, there will not be having any effect because I have not called this function. Now I will copy this function, and here I'm just going to call that function. Data, I don't know what I have to give. Simply as of now I will be giving India. But if I do that, I will be having this error. So we are not going to call in this way. I will remove this. So here what I have to do, first this entire container I have to add inside my div. And from HTML, I will remove this entire code. Now if I save this, that card has gone. Now what I will do, below this, I will be writing this countries container dot insert adjacent HTML. I will just use this method, and inside that where I want to display, I will be writing here before end. Before ending, I just want to add this container inside my div. And what container I have to add? I have to add this entire container, and this value is stored inside this variable. And here I will be pasting that variable. Now if I save this, you can see nothing is displayed. Why? Because I have not called this function. So here I will be calling that function. So inside this get country, where I have displayed this data, I will just write here HTML data, and inside this I just want to display this country. I will copy this first country, and here I will be pasting that. Now as soon as I save, you can see I am able to access India, and also entire data is displayed. And after that, I just want to display that neighbor data. Now based on this country, I have to display the border as well, which we have fetched in our last lecture. So inside this then method, we have displayed our result value. So here I will call that function. I will simply copy this entire thing. I will remove this. I will paste that here, and inside this I should be passing this result value as its argument. Now if I save this, I will be having this weird result because this data is nothing but array. So from that array, I have to access the first value. So I will be writing index 0. Now as soon as I save, you can see I am able to access India, and whatever border we have accessed, that border we are able to display. Now here if I just write here China, save it, accordingly I will be having the result based on the data we got from API. So this is how we are going to fetch the data, and accordingly we can fetch the border and we can render that data on our screen. Okay, do not get confused. Just practice this 3-4 times, then you will master fetch function, and also you will completely understand about promises.